Have you ever felt unbearable pain in your lumbar? There are a lot of talks about detox diets and recipes. However, not everyone knows how they really help the body. In today's video, we will teach you a powerful detox juice using celery, carrots, and garlic. It can strengthen the kidneys, responsible for filtrating and eliminating harmful substances from the body. As we have seen here on the channel, the kidneys must always be healthy because when they don't work correctly, it opens the door for kidney diseases. According to researchers, it is estimated that around 850 million people in the world today have kidney disease due to different causes. It's worth mentioning that kidney disease is silent and has barely any symptoms. So, keeping your kidneys healthy is key to maintaining a balanced body and avoiding any problems. The ideal is to adopt a natural method for purifying the kidneys and boosting the elimination of residues. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. See now how to make a juice with celery, carrot, and garlic to detox and reduce inflammation in your kidneys. Celery has diuretic properties that help detox and cleanse the kidneys, besides protecting the urinary tract. Carrot has vitamins A, B, C, and E, which help inhibit the cell damages caused by free radicals. It also contains enzymes that aid in protecting the digestive system, preventing constipation while reducing residue retention in the blood, which helps lessen the work of the kidneys. Garlic stimulates the production of anti-inflammatory compounds that dilate blood vessels, increase blood flow, and prevent clotting and oxidation damages. It also lowers cholesterol levels. Isn't it incredible? You will need 8.5 ounces of water, 2 carrots, 1 piece of celery, and 1 fresh garlic clove. Thoroughly rinse the carrots, then peel and slice them small. Rinse the celery and cut into small pieces. Add both to a blender, then add the water and garlic. Blend until smooth. Drink right after, preferably in the morning while fasting. So, did you like the recipe? Try it and tell us what you think. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.